Good morning. It's another beautiful day here in Tulum. Look how beautiful the sky is. We're gonna go to Kibok. Kibok, it's a breakfast cafe.
Okay, done.
We got our lattes.
Sure, let me know if it's not sweet. It's like my normal coffee.
This banana tree. That super green banana. Over here looks like okra. Ooh la la.
How's everybody's coffee?
Good. That's good.
Very good.
Yum. I get the bananas from the tree. Right, we're headed to the beach. We're leaving our Airbnb right now, and we're gonna go to Playa Para. Well, I don't even know what it's called. Here we go. We gonna have a good beach day. How is it? Chile.
My knees are ready.
Nice. ¿Cuánto esos? How about you get one and then we'll see how much it is. Look at all these beautiful palm trees. We're just taking a stroll down the beach. So refreshing. I love popsicles on a beach day or a hot day. All right, we got sandwiches for 35 pesos. It's delicious. Maybe I'll get a second one. It's fresh and light. We showered. We're all cleaned up. Dude, I took off my swimsuit earlier and there was like literally a clump of sand.
It was all in your ass.
I know. But it was like all in my swimsuit too. All right, we got chicken cow pad, some green curry. Mel got the same thing as me. What's that?
Masaman curry.
Masaman. And I'm super itchy because bugs are biting my legs.
So you don't want me to break it down? No. We have sprinkles. I got the sprinkles.
This one?
Yeah.
I think so, actually.
Here's an agua.
Oh my god.
What the heck?
I'm so sorry.
What happened?
I scratched you.
Are you okay? Got this cute little bread, Mexican bread. We got it yesterday at the little cart. It's all colorful and cute. We just stopped at this gas station, got some coffee. Very unsafe because it's really hot. Also got a banana. Oh my god. There's a Jessie. They're not dancing.
Just listen.
I'm ready. I've been ready.
What are you doing? I'm going opposite.
We got the lover seats. Waiting for our lovers to sit. All right.
The full experience.
Oh, okay.
How much alcohol is in here?
It doesn't
Yes.
have alcohol.
Just juice.
Then you wrap it up with the banana leaf. And then you put it over. Like that. There you go. Exactly. There you go.
Is she a natural?
Oh, look at her.
Well, this is what they are going to prepare on that oven. That it takes about an hour and 42 hours to be boiled. And afterwards, they're gonna take it to our tables later on when we come back. We're gonna come back for lunch over here. Grill the onion and the tomato, and at the same time, she is making the tortillas handmade. No.
Spicy?
You just have to eye.
Oh.
I think you can handle it.
Little kick. Yeah, we got our Mayan calendars.
Georgia?
I can't wait to open these. Ooh.
Okay,
How
officially we are just.
It's so beautiful. That's crazy. Look how steep it looks.
What if you fall off?
I know. Imagine going up those stairs every day.
It'd be fun to like slide down.
Okay, at a count of 3, all together at the same time. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
So tell them where we at. What are we doing here?
Chichen Itza.
Chichen Itza. Itza chichen.
No.
Okay.
Pizza, pizza.
Okay, tell them how to clap. Let's do the clap and see.
I don't think it's gonna go.
No, we're going to the middle right here. Let's go. We'll get you clap. I don't know if you can hear that on camera, but she's clapping and
Let's make a little birdie sound.
the structure is actually rebounding that sound back to us straight down the middle. And it makes like a little laser / birding sound. So she's gonna clap on that side and I'm gonna be over here and it should reflect and bounce back towards my way. So I'll show you where I'm at over here. So I'm on the right side of the structure and Crystal is on the other side. I don't know if you can see her.
You can do a video and then a picture.
Hi, in the cenote. In the cenote. Where's Anthony?
I'm coming.
Hey. The other bottle for
Got some tacos,
Is today Tuesday?
some fusilli pasta,
It's going by really fast.
veggies, and
So tomorrow night we're gonna drink the bak chicken.
you
Want some of the soup to
It's the habanero
My tummy
challenge.
It's already out. It's churning.
It's churning.
Biggest piece.
No, it's not. It's split in half. It's the same size.
It's okay. Just leave it down. No one's doing a habanero challenge.
What is this called, Bill?
Caipirinhas.
Caipirinhas.
Oh my god, these are big ass drinks.
Okay, that's worth it, right? Hey.
Melanie, take a photo of us since you have the long arms. Oh shit, this is not good. Okay, here we go.
Right.
Castaña.
I just gave this baby a quesadilla. I love you, baby. I would totally accept you.
You can follow us.
No.